I'm Andrew from Hygieia Group, your one-stop shop for all your cleaning needs. I'm going to show you around our new showroom here in Selby, North Yorkshire, and give you a flavour of the few things that we can offer you and help you with in your cleaning businesses. We stock everything from microfiber cloths, to surface sanitisers, to soaps, to hand sanitisers, to green cleaning products. Over here we have our external hand sanitising station and our really popular premium station that's proved a real hit during COVID. We start here with the machinery and our really great and effective way of cleaning small areas is the motor scrubber jet, incorporating the stormlands and the blade. Really effective way of cleaning small areas for periodic deep cleans. Here's our small range here of floor cleaning equipment, ranging from the Orbot to the duplex, multi-wash and our single disc machines, all available to hire or buy. We're really proud to introduce the iMop to you, the battery cleaning machine that is an absolutely magnificent piece of kit for all your hard floor surfaces, and it's proved a real hit over the last 7 years of it being around. Over here we have our range of vacuums. We've got our robot vacuums, 2 upright vacuums and tub vacs too. If you're in the area, why not drop by, call in and see us, and we'd be more than happy to accommodate you and give you a demonstration of any of our products. If you've got any questions, please pop them in the comment box below. I'm Andrew from Hygieia Group, your one-stop shop for all your cleaning needs.